Authentic jambalaya thanks to Isaac Toups, a longtime Louisiana native. I'll leave his information in the description. Tablespoon olive oil into a big pot that has a lid. 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces. Another tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper. Gently cook it till it's almost done. Everything out of the pot, including the juice. Half cup plus 2 tablespoons grapeseed oil into the pot. Approaching 300, lower that heat by 1/3. Half cup whole wheat flour in. From this point on, don't leave. Just keep stirring. Have your ingredients prepared to add in. Remember guys, the thing about roux is that the slower you go, the safer it is. If you feel like it's going a little too fast for you, just reduce the heat. Keep stirring till it gets darker and darker until it reaches a chocolate-like color like you see here. Go in with a couple ribs celery, 1 medium yellow onion, 1 medium bell pepper. Saute that for only a minute. 1/4 cup minced garlic in, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne in. Saute for just a minute. Deglaze with 6 cups of low sodium chicken stock. Stir, scraping the bottom as you go. Once you've reached a rolling simmer like this, let it go for 30 minutes to an hour. After 30 minutes, 2 cups long grain brown rice, chicken and the juices back in. 1 pound of any sausage. I got some chicken Italian sausage here. Bring that to a simmer, insert into a preheated 350-degree oven until this emerges. 3 tablespoons butter, 1 cup chopped green onions. Stir, salt, pepper, add spices and heat to taste. Cover it, let it sit 20 minutes and you're ready to eat. This ain't Zatarain's in a box. This is on a totally different level. If you haven't had jambalaya like this, guys, please give this a shot and let me know how you like it. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.